This case study shows how an agency representing a private swim school achieved a 128% increase in return on ad spend, or ROAS, using AI-powered Google search ads from Shoptoit. The client is a service-based business focused on personalized instruction, with a business goal of booking local private swimming lessons. The customer lifetime value is $3,500 per customer. The challenge was the high cost per customer and room for improvement in ROAS with the existing Performance Max campaigns. The strategy was to propose an AI-driven, long-tail, search-only Google Ads campaign by Shoptoit. This focused on sharply targeting people actively searching for private swim lessons. The objectives were to reach high-intent searchers and reduce acquisition cost, thereby improving profitability and scalability. For just $39 per month, no management fees, the agency was able to create the campaign from scratch in just 10 minutes, and it was up and running in 2 business days, delivering results into the white label dashboard the client can log into and see the results at any time. In just 10 minutes, the agency set up the campaign in Shoptoit Ads Builder platform, which is only $39 per month per customer for the agency to use. Comparing the AI-powered Google search ads to Performance Max, the results show a 2.3 times better performance. With a lower ad spend of $1,721, the AI-powered search ads acquired 19 customers with a customer acquisition cost of $272. This resulted in an immediate ROAS of $20.21 to $1, which is a 128% increase over PMax. Considering the customer lifetime value of $3,500, the lifetime value generated from the 19 customers is $66,500. This brings the lifetime ROAS to $38.64 to $1. By switching from Performance Max to Shoptoit, the CPC was lowered by over 75%, and conversions increased by 128%, all with no manual work. So $1 in ad budget delivers over $38 in revenue. This is why every smaller budget business should be running even a small Google Ads campaign. And with Shoptoit, agencies can help them at scale without increasing headcount. The agency is now looking for 25 other businesses to help reach new customers by leveraging the Shoptoit Ads Builder platform.